Good day, students. Welcome to our lecture in advertising. Today we are going to look at chapter 10, which is on layout and typography. So let's look at today's learning outcomes. So we are saying that at the end of this chapter, you should be able to define layouts, identify the importance of layout in advertising, and features, and identify the features of a good layout. So the other learning outcomes, they will be covered in the next lesson. So let's define layout. So you're saying that a layout is a sketched plan of a proposed advertisement showing the size, position, color, weight, value of the different elements that make up the complete advertisement. So it includes a headline, a rough illustration, copy which serves as plan for the advertisement. So a layout is mostly just it's like a template, right? So it's like a rough plan of an advertisement. So before you actually go ahead with an advertisement, you have to sketch your plan, or you have to come up with a rough illustration or copy that you have to go show your advertiser in order to approve or to go ahead with the advertisement. So let's look at the importance of layouts in advertisements. So you're saying that layout is important in an advertising plan because it enables the advertiser to visualize how complete advertisement will look when published. So it's, as I said, it's like a sketch. So it's a rough advertisement. So it actually helps the advertiser to visualize how the final advertisement will look like. And it also gives the printer the location of each unit in the advertisement. It allows the person who is going to print the whole picture of how the advertisement will look like, or the location of each unit in the advertisement. Layout is usually prepared to seek approval of the client and to see approval of the client and to see the overall impact. So a layout, as I said, that mostly it's a sketch, so you need that and go show to your client if you are actually an advertising agency or someone who does advertisements for people. So actually you cannot just go ahead and come up with a final advertisement. You have to come up with a layout first that you are going to show to your client and see if they are going to approve or not. If there are few changes to be made, then you can actually do those adjustments. Then we have features of a good layout. So we're talking of balance. So we say that balance in layouts means achieving a proper distribution of weight through the arrangement of elements, and actually the balance should be maintained in size and color, the shape of the element, and so on. Right, then we have movement. We are saying that there should be mobility in the advertisement. It provides a visual type of flow and sequence, and it's more used in case of items which are mobile in nature. Example, maybe an advertisement of an automobile should have illustration which shows mobility in it. And we have gaze motion. We are saying that it is a direction of movements of the reader's eye. The element of advertisement should be placed in such a manner that there is an easy follow in the movement of eyes of the reader. Then we have structural motion. A good layout should utilize lines, arrows, signs which will indicate or point out to the important element of the advertisement. Then you have proportion. We are saying that this involves appropriate division of the space between the various elements like headlines, illustrations, subheadings, or copy. And in a headline oriented advertisement, the headline should be given major space, and in an illustration oriented advertisement, illustration will dominate more space. Then we have white space, we are saying that white space is the area not occupied by a copy. Effective use of white space helps to establish sense of proportion. And we have unity. We are saying that there should be a unity between the elements. And example, maybe there should be a proper orientation between headlines and the copy of illustration or the whole copy. Right, we have clarity. We are saying that this implies that the various elements, they should be arranged in manners such as a message should be clearly in head, understood, and so on. But then we have simplicity. You are saying that avoid too many elements in the advertisement. Emphasize, you are saying that emphasize the most important part or element of the advertisement should get more emphasized and so on. That will help the layout to be a proper one and to be approved by your client. So these are the features of a good layout, and this will take us to the end of our today's lesson. If you have any question, do not hesitate to contact me. I will see you guys in our next lesson.